Ngayong adlaw, future panyeros and panyeras. Good day to everyone and magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to day 1 of BIA, the Bar Exam Excellent Review. Alam naman nating lahat ng realidad. We have exactly 188 days before the 2026 Bar Exam. 6 months na lang ang natitira. For many of us, it feels like our foundation is shaky at parang hindi sapat ang oras. This channel isn't about being a genius. It's about being an excellent steward of these 188 days and the limited resources we have. If you are struggling to make ends meet, juggling work and family, o nahihirapan dahil sa kakulangan ng resources, this is for you. Wala mo na ginusara. You are not alone. We are here to prove that even with a short time and a weak foundation, excellence is possible through grace and a simple, focused strategy. Bago tayo mag-dive, listen to this promise from 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 9. But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Sa mga nawawalan na ng pag-asa dahil sa hirap ng buhay, inyong dumini, your weakness is not a dead end. It is the perfect stage for God's power to move. Hindi ito sa galing natin, kundi sa grasya niya na gagabay sa atin sa susunod na mga araw. Now that we have our spiritual foundation, let's look at the road ahead. Sa susunod na 188 days, hindi na tayo pwedeng basta lang mag-aral. We need a map. Here is our agenda for day 1. First, the 2026 bar application. Remember, it's March 1 now. We only have 8 days left before the Barista portal closes on March 9. If you're struggling with your 12,800 fee or the documents, don't lose heart. Take it one step at a time, but start today. Excellence begins with compliance. Second, pag-usapan natin ang theory on scoring. Bakit may mga matatalino sa law school pero bumabagsak sa bar? Why are there smart people in law school who fail the bar? Because the bar is not just about what you know. It's about how you present it to the examiner in 60 seconds or less. And finally, why beer? I will introduce to you the simplest method to answer any bar question, even if you feel you have a weak foundation. Dili na to lisod-lisoron ang atong kaugalingon. We won't make it hard for ourselves. We will use a logic that saves time and earn points. Now, let's go to the most urgent matter, your 2026 bar application. Future panyeros, dili na gyud ni angay dugayon. The deadline is strictly March 9, 2026, which is next Monday, and it closes at exactly 3 p.m. Huwag nating hintayin ang deadline day dahil baka magka-problema sa system or sa internet. You have 8 days left to ensure your barista profile is complete and your documents are uploaded. Para sa ating mga graduating students na nag-aalangan dahil baka hindi makaabot sa graduation, listen to this. The 12,800 application fee is refundable. Mauli ra ang inyong gibayad. Under the 2026 bar bulletin, if you fail to graduate or lack the necessary requirements for the 2026 graduation, you can request a refund. Kaya wag matakot mag-apply. Apply today. Secure your slot. If God provided a dream, He will provide the way. Let's not let a deadline stop our 188-day journey. Pagsugod na karon. Next, let's talk about the theory on scoring. Bakit nga ba may mga matatalino sa law school pero hindi pumapasa sa bar? Because they think the bar is a memory contest. Hindi po ito contest ng memorization. First, remember this. Scores are given to those who show legal reason. Dili kinahanglan nga perfect ang imong English or flowery ang imong words. What the examiner wants to see is how you link the law to the facts. Logic beats thick books every time. Second, understand the examiner's equation. Thousands ang binabasa nilang booklets. Because of this, an examiner initially grades you in the first 15 to 30 seconds of reading. Kinahanglan sa unang sentence pa lang, nakuha na nimo ilang attention. In the first sentence, you must already have their attention. This is why the beer method is important. Within those first 30 seconds of reading, we show the examiner that we are ready. We don't waste their time. We give them exactly what they're looking for. Mao ni ang sekreto sa pagpasar bisan weak foundation pa ka. Hindi ito imposible. If we master the logic, we master the score. Let's look at the method that will get us there. Now let's go to the big question. Why beer? Is it just a catchy name? No, it's a mindset and a reminder of a deadline. First, mark the calendar. The 2026 bar exam will be held on September. Sa September na gyud ang atong dakong adlaw. Second, and this is the most important part of our 188-day journey. The bar exam is not a test of knowledge, but beer. Law school already tested your knowledge for 4 years, but the bar tests your excellent review character and your ability to execute a method under pressure. If it were just a test of knowledge, those weak foundations or those who couldn't afford the best review centers would already lose. But because it is the test of beer, a test of your strategy and your faith, everyone has a chance. Kahit galing ka sa hirap, kahit wala kang sapat na libro, kung master mo ang method na to, you can win. We prepare to show that with God's grace, we can not only pass, but we can excel beyond what we thought was possible. This isn't about being a genius. It's about being faithful with the 188 days we have left. Mao ni ang atong goal. Let's make it happen. Let's be honest with ourselves. Ang bar exam ay hindi lamang test ng memorya. In the real world, information is everywhere. Lahat ng impormasyon ay abot kamay na natin. We have Google, AI, and digital libraries at our fingertips. Testing your knowledge is no longer the main question in 2026. What matters is the critical thinking to apply. Dili kinahanglan nga murag walking encyclopedia ta. The real work of a lawyer is how you use your mind to navigate the information and turn it into a winning argument, but an argument that is aligned with the truth and never against God's will. Mao kini ang tinod nga excellence. We are not just training to be clever, we are training to be righteous advocates. We use the beer method to find the answer that is legally sound and morally right. Because when your argument is anchored in the truth, you aren't just fighting with your own strength, you are fighting with God. Dito na papasok ang pinaka-puso ng ating review master plan, the beer system. This is a two-part system designed for those of us juggling time, work, family, and for those who struggle for resources. It covers how you study and how you write. Kung wala kang pambayad sa mamahaling review center o kung gipit ka sa financial aspect, this is for you. The beer system proves that you don't need the most expensive books to have the most excellent reasoning. First, the habit model. Belief, ease, entry, and repetition. Mao ni ang sekreto para dili ta ma-burnout. You start with your belief in God's provision, keep the task at ease, so you can study even while working, find your entry point, and trust in the power of repetition. Second, let's talk about your weapon in the exam, the answering method. Ito ang gagamitin nating logic para makuha ang atensyon ng examiner sa loob ng 30 seconds. We start with binary. Don't beat around the bush. In the very first sentence, you give a categorical answer, binary, yes or no. Dili ta magpaligoy-ligoy. We give the examiner the yes or the no they are looking for immediately. Next is the enabling law. After your binary answer, you cite the specific legal basis. This is the bridge that connects your answers to the law. Even if you cannot remember the exact article number, you will learn how to cite the enabling principle that makes your answer legally solid. It proves you aren't just guessing, you are grounded in the law. Then, we perform an evaluation, weighing the facts against the enabling law to reach a definitive resolution. A resolution that is not just legally sound, but one that is also never against God's will. Alam kong marami pa kayong tanong, but don't worry. This is just the beginning. In the following days ahead, we will have the deep discussion on each part of this system. Ititrain ko kayo step by step. For now, trust the 188 days and trust His grace. Magkikita-kita tayo bukas para sa day 2 because September is ours. God bless you.